Let's recreate a playful product banner from Pinterest. For this, open Canva and select a custom size of 1500 by 1500 pixels to create a fun square layout. Start by uploading high-quality images of your product. For this idea will work any product that may be placed as laying on surface. Drag products onto the canvas and center them side by side, leaving space between them. Next, choose a bold, vibrant background color that complements the product. A rich red or deep blue adds energy and makes the design pop. Now, add drop shadows for each product to create the vision of the products laying on the surface. Play with the shadow settings to get the best results. Next, let's add personality. In the Elements section, type heart in the search bar and place heart illustrations all over the image, changing the size and direction for each, perfect for a romantic mood. Now it's time to get creative. Click on the Draw section and choose white color for the pen. Draw hands and legs for the bottles to make them look like cartoon characters. The image is ready for export. Click the Share button and download it to share the final image via social media or other platforms.